Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another night with another unboxing. And today I have two products from Remington that is different, but they are going to replace the same thing, both of them. I buy a lot of beard products, a lot of trimmers, and it might seem that it takes a lot to take care of your beard, but I really don't think so. I think it's easy and people make too much of a fuss about it. I usually like to shop things and try gadgets, more or less. So what I usually do, as you can see now, I've let my beard grow a bit. And yeah, I just realized that the lack of these products is why I let my beard grow. So usually I fix my beard myself. I go to my barber a couple of times a month. Mostly just because it's nice. Check him out, Devoted, more than a barbershop. So I fix my beard myself, make it look thinner, the neck and the cheeks, the sides. That's it. And that is easy. The only thing is that when I use my razor blade, no matter if I have like a modern Gillette or something or a real old school razor blade, it happens that I take the line too much, too low, too much. And that's mostly because I can't see the line when I have shaving foam. And of course I have a bunch of trimmers that cut really close, but they don't cut as close as a real knife, a shaving knife. So underneath it's okay, I can do that with a trimmer, but on the sides, the lines here, a trimmer isn't good enough. And with the blade, no matter what I do, it happens time to time that I take too much and then I have to fix the lines completely on both sides. And yeah, so that's why I have let it grow now. And I'm gonna do unboxing, 2 videos, 2 reviews, and I don't know which one I'm going to start with. I'm thinking I'm gonna start with this one because this is new for me. This is not a new product, but I've seen many companies coming out with something like this now. And this is a razor blade that are a trimmer. Yeah. So it cuts almost as close as a razor blade. I think it is, yeah, 0.15 millimeters. So it's not perfectly smooth, but good enough, I'm guessing. And this blade are guaranteed to be sharp for 5 years. So this is new for me. I'm looking forward to try this because this means that I can use this without shaving foam. So I can see the lines. I usually draw with a pen where I can clearly see the line, and then I go after that. So this, instead of a shaving knife with shaving foam, is going to be great. This Omniblade, this is called Omniblade Precision. There are 5 versions of this one. They call 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, and it all depends on the accessories that you get with it. So everything from 3 accessories to 11. And since I don't use those combs, I just go freehand. This is good for me. And the accessories that I wanted here is a comb for eyebrows, so you can cut your eyebrows. I might just have the world's longest eyebrows. Now they are cut recently, but they grow a lot. And then we have a sort of nose, of course I'm going to open and show you, a nose trimmer that I haven't tried before. Same with this one. Well, this will be another video. So let's open and see what's in the package. So here we have the razor. I don't know, if I should call it a razor. I should call it a Omniblade because that's what it is. And I absolutely like it that it's not too wide, because that makes it easier for me to draw my lines. You can also do real shaving with it. As I said, it goes down to 0.15, so it's not clean shaven, but good enough. And then you can fix the lines with it, or you can use a comb and trim your beard. So it's not only good for one thing. So here we have the comb, so you can adjust your height preference of it. Charging cable, and here we have the nose trimmer that I haven't tried. Let me see if I can pull this off. Yeah. So this is a detail trimmer, not only for your nose here, but a detail trimmer for eyebrows, lines. I can assume that I can use it around my lips. Yeah, around my lips. That is going to be great. And these are the combs for your eyebrows. And then we have a traveling pouch. Nice material. And instruction books. So that's it. So now I'm just going to charge it before I use it. Always fully charge all your products before you use them. And let's see how good it is. On to the next one, so check out my next video. Good morning, the Omniblade is charged. I am not. And we have a LED display that shows you the battery time. The battery time was quite good. I have to get back to you with that. So let's see what it can do. First of all, as I said, I draw a line with the tattoo brown pen, used to help myself, so I know where not to go under. Easy way to help yourself. Let's go. That was really easy to use. It doesn't cut as close, but I told you that earlier. So you can still see the hair, the dots. But I am absolutely fine with this. That was really fast and easy. Usually, as I said, I use a classic knife and with shaving foam, and yeah, this was really quick and really easy. So let's see if we can take the mustache as well. Yep. I wouldn't say that I have a hard time finding the line, but with a knifer, I know, with a knife, I know exactly where the line stops. And here I have just a little bit over the knife. But I'm happy with this, and I like it that I can go both downwards and upwards. And if I remember correctly, yeah, this was great. at least for cutting the lines or doing the lines, it was just great. Could have been a bit closer, but keep in mind how much faster this is than using shaving foam and a knife. And yeah, I'm happy with it. By freehand, it worked okay with the private parts. Still got some cuts, so you should use a comb, one of the combs, when you're shaving your private parts. So yeah, that's it. So in the face, not quite close enough, but I'm super happy with it because it was so fast and so easy. With the private parts, I don't know. If you're gonna shave under your arms, then it's fine, but down there, I got some cuts. Update again, don't use it downstairs without the comb. That was not a good idea at all. But it is good enough for shaving your head. Check. So if you want a close shave of your head without using a razor, this seems to work just fine. Seems to work just fine. That was really close actually. So yeah, that's it for the Omniblade. I'm happy with it. Thanks for watching. I have another video coming up about the T-Series detail trimmer, so check that one out. Thank you.